How to delete Google Photos without deleting from phone. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to delete photos from Google Photo without deleting from phone. In order to do that procedure, first of all, go to Google Photos, and here you can see this is the images. Now first thing, you have to make sure to turn off your backup. So for that, press on your profile icon in the top right and then go to phone settings. After you've done that, go to backup and make sure to turn it off or toggle the button. Then you need to exit out of your application or your Google Photos and then open up a browser. On the web address bar, go ahead and type in photos.google.com and make sure that you're already logged into your account. So I'm already logged into my account, so that's how the interface is going to look like. So while you're on this page, select the photo that you wish to delete, and then after you're done selecting the photo, tap the three dot icon and click on select photo. Once again, go ahead and select that, and if you're sure about deleting it, tap the delete button or the bin icon and click on move to bin. And after you're done deleting it from the Google Photo, then you can exit out of your photos and go to the Google Photo. And here you can see that the image has not been deleted on my phone. So that's how you can delete Google Photos without deleting from phone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.